I'm reading. Oh, shark attack! Not a problem, because my Kindle has a personal flotation device. Hello, Elizabeth here, and today I'm going to show you how to make a floating case for your Kindle or whatever other waterproof device you've got. I recognize that this is likely a very niche solution to a very niche problem, but you know what? If my videos help even one other person, I consider it worth it. I live in Canada, and I am very blessed to have access to my in-laws' cottage during the summer, and the main reason I wanted the waterproof Kindle is because I wanted to read in and around the lake. But although the device is waterproof, it's still gonna sink to the bottom of the lake if I drop it, and I could not find a single case that is meant to float. So I made my own, and it looks really dumb, and I don't care because it's functional and I can now read in the lake. So if you too are experiencing this very niche problem, please keep watching. First, you're going to need a pool noodle and a case that fits your device. I used a tape measure and a Sharpie to mark every inch. Then I used an X-Acto knife and a cutting mat to carefully slice 12 1-inch thick discs off the pool noodle. You may need more or less depending on the size of your pool noodle and the size of your case. Next, you need an industrial waterproof glue. I used E6000. I applied a generous amount of glue to each disc and firmly pressed them onto the case, making sure not to cover the spine where it folds over as it opens and closes. Follow the dry time on the glue you use before testing out your case. I let mine sit for a full week. And that's it. It looks kind of weird, but it does exactly what I need it to do. So yeah, I am satisfied. I hope someone out there finds this tutorial helpful, and I hope you have a wonderful day. If you made it this far, thanks for watching. And if you enjoyed this video, please subscribe to my channel and leave a comment letting me know what you would like to see next. See you later.